How to assemble your Powermate front tine tiller. Always remember to wear ANSI compliant safety glasses with side shields while assembling this tiller. To begin, use a utility knife to cut all 4 vertical edges and lay the side panels flat around the tiller. Remove all remaining parts and packaging. Before proceeding with the assembly, be sure to remove the wire from the spark plug. Step 1. Wheel frame assembly. Remove the hairpin cotter and flat washer from one end of the pivot rod and remove the rod. Align the pivot holes in the wheel assembly to the pivot holes in the frame and install the pivot rod. Secure by reinstalling the flat washer and hairpin cotter. Step 2. Installing the tines. Slide the tines into the tine axle. Install the internal tines first, ensuring the sharp edge of the tine is facing down to the ground. Secure each tine by inserting the provided M10 by 50 mm bolt with lock nut. Use one flat washer under the bolt head and one under the lock nut. Tighten securely. For wide 21-inch tilling, install the outside tine so that the long half of the tine tube faces towards the inside tines. For narrow 16-inch tilling, install the outside tines so that the short half of the tine tubes faces towards the inside. Insert the linchpins to secure the outside tines. Insert the linchpins so that the direction of the pin is from the front to the back, and the wire loop pivots over the top of the axle. Secure by expanding the wire loop so it extends over and captures the end of the pin. These linchpins provide a secure connection during operation, while also allowing for quick and easy tool-free adjustment of your tilling width when the full 21 inches is not required. Step 3. Installing the drag bar. Insert the drag bar into the bottom of the wheel bracket assembly. Insert the pin through the bracket and the middle hole of the drag bar. Secure with a flat washer and hairpin cotter. Step 4. Installing the lower handle. Orient the lower handle with the upper squares as shown. Align the lower handle holes with the respective holes and loosely install 2 M10 by 25 mm bolts, lock washers, and flat washers on each side. Using a wrench, securely tighten the bolts on each side. Remove the hairpin cotter and washer from the clevis pin in the lower handle. Install the link using the upper hole to clevis pin and reinstall the washer and hairpin cotter. Repeat on the opposite side. This wheel height adjustment link is designed to optimize user comfort and maximize tilling performance. Step 5. Attaching the upper handle. Slide the upper handle down over the lower handle and align the holes. Orient the upper handle so that the clutch lever is below the handle. Insert the saddle bolts into the holes and secure with flat washers and handle knobs. Tighten securely. Use a cable tie to secure the control cable to the horizontal bar. Step 6. Installing the outside tine shield. Place the outside tine shield underneath the main tine shield and align the holes. Secure each outside tine shield to the main tine shield with 3 M6 by 16 mm bolts, washers, and lock nuts. Step 7. Installing the rope guide. Install the rope guide into the right-hand section of the upper handle. Install the lock nut and tighten securely. Pull the engine rope and route through the guide. You can now reinstall the spark plug. Congratulations! You have successfully assembled your Powermate front tine tiller.